Hello, everybody. Let's take a look at Unit 4.3b, continuing with rates and unit rates. And in this lesson, we're going to find the unit rate. This might be a useful exercise when you go shopping and you want to compare the unit price of two products. Some places call it the true value price, but it's also a unit rate price. So let's take a look at the first question. A 36-ounce bottle of a new soda costs $3.03. What is the unit rate rounded to the nearest tenth of a cent? So we want to keep this in mind that at the end we may have to round our answer to the nearest tenth. So if you need to review rounding, do that please. Otherwise, let's write this out on our tablet. A 36-ounce bottle of a new soda costs $3.03. So for 36 ounces, you're paying $3.03. You've got 36 ounces and $3.03. What's the unit rate? So that means what is the per ounce rate? So we have 36 over 3.03, and that's equal to 1 ounce, right, over X. And for all of these, we're going to use a similar approach. We're going to multiply the numerator and denominator of one side and divide it by the, we'll use cross multiplication to solve for X. So first one, we're going to multiply 3.03 times 1, and that's equal to 36X. And so to solve for X, we're going to divide both sides by 36, and on this side we have 36. And so these on the right, the two 36's cancel out, leaving X, and X is equal to 3.03 divided by 36. So we just do the long division. And because 36 doesn't have any decimals, we just go ahead and divide it into 3.03. Let me change colors here. Let's go to green. All right. So 36 won't go into 3, so it's a 0. 36 won't go into 30 even, so that's another 0. 36, will it go into 303? Well, not quite 10 times. Maybe 9 times. 9 times 36, 270 plus 54. Oh, that's going to be too much. How about 8? 8 times. 8 times 36 is 240 plus 48. That's 288. Let's try that. Let's go with 8. So 8 times 6 is 48. Carry the 4. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 4 more is 28. Subtract that. So here we have to borrow from, and I'm not displaying anymore, am I? Let me try this again. All right, looks like it's there now. Okay, nope, it's not. I'm not sure why this happens. Let me stop the share and restart the share. Okay, there's everything. So we're dividing 36 into $3.03. So we're going to try it 8 times. Gives us 288. We have to borrow from the 3, leaving 2. That makes this 10, but we're borrowing from that, so that's 9. And then we have 13. 5 here, 1 here, and 0. And they want us to round to the nearest tenth of a cent. Was that right? Nearest tenth of a cent. So right now, because we are working in dollars, right? It's $3.03. We have to do the nearest tenth of a cent. So we have to go out 2 more decimal places in order to have our answer be the tenth of a cent. So right here, this 0.08 is 8 cents. That's how much per ounce. All right, so let's keep going. And we'll put some zeros here we can just bring down. Let me change the color again. All right, so we're going to divide 36 into 150. Well, 3 would go into 15 5 times, but this is too big, so let's try 4. So 4 times 6, 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14. That's going to work. Borrow 1 from the 5, leaving 4. 10. 10 minus 6 is, 10 minus 4 is 6. And the rest are zeros. And we'll bring down the next number. It's a next 0. And 36 goes into 60 one time. So 36, 5 and 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. And let's go just one more, just for fun. Bring down that last 0. 36 goes into 240. How many times? Now this might go evenly. Let's see, what would it be? Nope, 5 won't work. All right, so if we think of this as 4 going into 24, 6 would work, right? 6, it's 180 plus 36, 216. Let's try 7. 7 would be 210 plus 42, that's 252. So 7's too big, but 6 looks good. 6 times 6 is 36, carry the 3. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 3 is 21. And then 3, 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. So it looks like we might just get to an infinite sequence here. We keep getting, we're going to end up with 24 here. So it's going to be 0.084166666. All right, so our answer, preliminary answer, x is equal to 0.0841. I'm going to leave off that last number. And this number is in dollars, so we have to convert this to cents. So the way to do that is we have 0.0841 dollars, and we have to convert this into cents. So we know that 100 cents is equal to $1. So I can see my tablet stop sharing again. Not sure why that is. I had this problem last term. But then I did or the spring term, but then summer term was fine. All right, so let's stop the share. Pause share, resume share, no. Stop and restart. That give us what we're missing? Yeah. Okay, so let me pop up here. 100 cents is equal to $1. And when we do conversions, these two are equal to each other. So you can stack this as 100 cents. And let's do the cent sign here. 100 cents is equal to $1. And you can, so because they are equal to each other, you can stack them either this way, 100 cents over $1. Or you can say $1 over 100 cents. And the reason we want to do that is because we are working with dollars here. So if we have, if we multiply this by one of these converters, we take the one with the dollars in the denominator so that the dollars will cancel out. So what we're going to do is multiply this by 100 cents over $1. And the dollars are going to cancel each other out. And we're going to multiply what's left by 100, and we'll be left with the unit of cents. So multiplying by 100 is like moving the decimal place 2 places to the right. So we have, for our answer, 8.41 cents. And they want us to round to the nearest tenth, which would be 8.4. 8.4 cents. And so that's a little bit of extra work you got to do. But let's put that in and see how we did. 8.4. Okay, per ounce. Okay, so there are a couple of extra steps to convert your answer because we're working in dollars. One alternative would be to convert this to pennies because you need to have your answer in the nearest cents. So you could convert this in advance and have 303 pennies for a 36-ounce bottle, and then that would remove that one step at the end. Okay, So give this second one a try. You're going to find the unit price for both of these, $8.99 at 8 pounds and $6.79 for 6 pounds. Divide those out to find out what your unit price is, compare the two, and see which one is the better deal, which one gives you more pounds for each dollar. Good luck. Let me know if you have trouble.